Unpacked leaks have begun, and it seems that no matter how hard Samsung tries to plug the leaks, new ones spring up. The latest bits of information concern the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 smartwatch series. The official design popped up in leaked renders late last week, and now information about prices emerged. Samsung plans to sell the Galaxy Watch 6 in 2 sizes and color variants. The 40mm model will be available in Graphite and Cream, while the 44mm will have a Graphite or Silver finish. Now, 40mm will cost around €319 with Bluetooth only and €369 with 4G, while 44mm will cost around €349 with Bluetooth only and €399 with 4G. The Korean tech giant also plans to revive the Classic smartwatch series and release 2 Galaxy Watch6 Classic models. Reportedly, they will be available in 2 color options, black and silver. The 43mm will cost around €419 with Bluetooth only and €469 with 4G. Finally, the 47mm Watch6 Classic will hit the streets in black and silver as well, priced at €449 with Bluetooth only or €499 with 4G. Don't forget that Samsung is a big fan of trade-in offers in its biggest markets, so you may end up paying a lot less than these amounts if you take advantage of any of those. These prices supposedly correspond to the Galaxy Watch 6 series in France, so if they are accurate, it is possible that slight variations for other markets in Europe exist. And as usual, trade-in offers and discounts will also be market-dependent. The new smartwatches will run a new version of One UI watch at launch, which Samsung already confirmed will offer better fitness and sleep tracking. One UI Watch 5 is based on Google's Wear OS 4 update. Other watches, like the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 5 lineups, will get the update at a later date after the Watch 6 series hits the market. The lineup will be unveiled at the next Unpacked special event, which Samsung is holding for the first time in Korea in the last week of July. Alongside the watches, a bunch of other products will also get announced on the same occasion. The Galaxy Z Fold and Flip 5, as well as the Galaxy Tab S9 series. So what are your thoughts on the pricing of upcoming Galaxy Watch lineup? Is it good enough to compete with other contenders in the market? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.